Happy Halloween, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for another Technology Tip Thursday. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I use a combination of Figma and GitHub to host my background images that I'll be using the Tableau desktop for all of my background images. So let's go ahead and hop into it. All right, so I found this article on Medium by Tyler Garrett, which basically shows how to use SVGs files hosted on GitHub and Tableau dashboards. So he has a really good article that I'm going to post in YouTube that basically walks through this process. And it's where I saw it, and I was like, man, let me leverage this and use it. So I'm just going to go through the actual process, but I'll have the link in the description below. But this is where I saw this, and I was like, man, let me leverage this. So let me show you an example of what this looks like. So if you go into Figma, I have just a really simple wireframe that I have built up. Just a couple images, a couple things. It's no big deal, right? So I have this built out, and I'm just going to export it out as a SVG. So actually, if I right click here and select, here we go. If I hit export SVG, if I select export SVG done, I have this saved. So now I have it saved in my downloads, and now it's saved as an SVG file. So now what I want to do is actually go into GitHub, and I go to my GitHub repository. So I have group 1 and group 2 saved, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can upload a file. I am not a GitHub expert by any means, but this is based on the article that I saw. You can leverage this because what will happen is a URL is built if you're using your GitHub. So if you go ahead and just upload it, I'll show you how to do this on web, but if you're using GitHub desktop and a lot of different stuff, you can merge branches, save branches, a lot of fancy stuff. But in this example, I'm just going to upload it. So if I come in here and select add file, go upload files, and then I can drag that image on here, and I'll just call it group 3 SVG, and select commit changes. We're now process this file. So now as you can see, I have group 3, and then when I click on here, I have the actual image itself. If I come in here and I select raw, what happens is that I now have an actual URL in here that I can leverage. So you see the image is raw.github content / my username, the folder, so on and so forth, and then .svg. So now I can leverage this as a background in Tableau. So I come in here and select copy this, and then once I go into Tableau, if I select web page, and I can do, actually, I don't want to do web page, cancel that. If I want to do image, there we go. I can do link to image, copy that, hit center, hit OK, hit apply, and then now it's in there. So if I move that, one thing as well is that I have the custom size of 1500 by 900. It fits what I built. So whenever you develop anything in Figma, best case is you develop it to like the width and height that you want to use in Tableau, because it makes life much easier when you do it that way. So because I have 1500 by 900, if I come back in here and go back to GitHub, if I go back to Tableau, you see that it fits perfectly. So now when I come in here, I could just now start floating my stuff on here, and I have a backdrop, and I can now just start using this background as my background, and now I can start doing visualizations, everything that I need. I like this format. I think it's pretty cool. I haven't tested it on Tableau Cloud or Tableau Server, so if there's any type of online websites that are blocked, of course, this is going to be an issue. But where this can become really powerful is that you have one place, one-stop shop of all your images, and then you're just leveraging those in workbooks. You have templates, you have different things, right, that are all leveraged into the one place. So it takes a lot of duplication and replication, and a lot of just added reports, or added images out of your workbook. So it could reduce kind of performance time and so on and so forth. So I think it's a cool technique. I'm going to start leveraging it. But have you used this before? Are you using anything differently? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think about my costume. Y'all have a great Halloween. Y'all stay safe out there. Have a great day. Talk to y'all later.